In today's video, I'll show you how to skip the user selection screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called User. Within here, there should be an option to skip the user selection screen, which you can turn on. This will only appear if you have one user on your Switch 2, so you would need to remove any additional users. Remember that when you remove a user, which you can do from here by selecting it, it will most likely delete information relating to that user, especially if that user is local to the device and isn't linked to a Nintendo account. I'd recommend reading all the information it shows if you choose to remove a user, to be sure. That's how to skip the user selection screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.